Welcome to Bootstrap. In this lecture, we are going to see how to include images to the web pages. Now, if you see here, we have a blog page where about 6 posts is there. For all these posts, we are going to include the images. So here, let me include the images for the first post. So I'm going to say image. Here in the image src we need to give the source. So now I am going to get the random image path. Maybe you can type here lorem pixum. Lorem pixum you can type. It take you to the website where you can get the image urls. So I've come to the lorem pixum page, and here you have a image url. You can just copy this and you can paste it to the source. You can paste it to the source and you get to see the image what is appearing here. The height and width is given here. Let me change this. Okay, this is width and height, so let me change this 300 and this as 200. Width and height I changed it. So same thing we are going to apply for all the posts. That's how we are going to get the images for all the posts. So let me say all the prior to the post title I'm going to paste these images here. So random images we are getting here. So just be pasted. All the post has got its images. Now if you see it is too congested, it looks. Let's see in the big view it is all right, but when it comes to small view it looks like very congested, right? So we need to apply some classes such a way that the images looks all right. So here every images have got some classes, responsive classes. Many classes are there. So I'm going to use one of the class. Maybe let's go from the beginning. Go to the first post and I'm going to say class is equal to image fluid. Okay, we have a class called image hyphen fluid. uh, this class we are going to use it. Okay, image hyphen fluid. So if you notice here the image looks it's exactly to the column size, right? Exactly to the column size. Maybe you can inspect this page how the image looks like. Let's go to the developer tool, and here we'll explore how the images are adjusted. Maybe under div section in the container, in the first row, in the first column we have adjusted this image. So maybe I'll keep here the cursor and see the image is taking maximum 100 width. The image is taking maximum 100 width and the height adjusted to auto. The height is adjusted to auto. Maybe if you see the another post, how the image looks like, you can see here the images sizes, like whatever size we have given accordingly only it is fixed, right? So that's a different. When you use the image fluid class you will come to know how it works, right? Okay, so now I'll let me apply this image class for all the classes, all the post. So here I'm going to say for all the posts I'm going to give the same. So you can see the difference how it's happening, right? Okay, let's say image class for the post 3 and image class for post 4 and post 5 and post 6. So image fluid class we used it here. It adjusts the width to its parent column. Okay, it adjusts the width to its parent column. And one more thing, if you notice here, the images looks like a very rectangular sharp edges it looks. In case if you feel like it should be a rounded corner should be there, you can also use the another property in it which is rounded. Okay, which is rounded. If you use, you can see the difference here. It looks like little rounded corner, right? So same way you can use it rounded for all the column, all the images you can make use of it. Let's say here next to fluid you can make use of this rounded you can make use of it. Yeah, you can see now little rounded corner for a different images you will able to understand. So let's say rounded here. So that's it, all about the images, all about the different images. That's how you have to give rounded. Maybe you see here in the last row we have given in the first few columns we have not given, so let's give here. For the post 1 I'm giving here, and for post 2 I'm giving here. You can see the difference now. And for post 3 I'm giving here. You can see the difference now. It's not having the sharp edges, it's having a rounded edges. Thank you.